Maharashtra to implement STARS project to improve learning in schools. Pune, about 400 students to self-quarantine after teacher tests positive. Maharashtra University exams will have online-offline mode option. Parents worry as schools compel students for offline exams. Chhattisgarh schools and colleges to reopen from February 15th. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Maharashtra State Education Department will implement the Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Results for States initiative to improve the overall teaching and learning process in schools across the state. The STARS initiative is a $500 million project funded by the World Bank to improve the quality of learning in schools across 6 states: Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa and Rajasthan. The Maharashtra Cabinet recently approved its implementation, following which a government resolution was issued to that effect. The implementation will take place in a phased manner over the next 5 years, said officials. A school in Pune was shut and over 400 students put under home quarantine after a secondary school teacher from Kondwa's Shri Sant Gange Maharaj School tested positive for COVID-19. This is the first such case after schools reopened in the city. The school has since been sanitized and 12 teachers have undergone RT-PCR tests. Their test reports are awaited. PMC Additional Commissioner Suresh Jagtap said the condition of students and teachers who attended the school since it reopened last week was being closely monitored. The school has been shut down for 5 days. So far, none of the other teachers have reported symptoms. We had the consent letters of parents, and through the numbers given, we have asked all parents to inform us if any students show symptoms and take them to the nearest center for testing, he said. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, university examinations in Maharashtra will be through online as well as offline modes for the convenience of students, said the State Higher and Technical Education Minister Uday Samant on Saturday. He said that the implementation of this process would be decided at the university level. He added that the option to appear for examinations in the online or offline modes will be kept open for students. This was decided at a meeting of Vice Chancellors of universities in the state. In its latest circular, the Central Board of Secondary Education has advised schools to be prepared to welcome the students for face-to-face classes. Several private schools in Delhi, Noida and Ghaziabad are preparing to open school in hybrid mode, giving the liberty to the students to pick either online or offline mode of learning and exams for students of classes 6 to 8. Parents of students enrolled in Delhi Public School Indrapuram are worried as they have received the mandate of compulsory offline exams for junior classes beginning February 24th. Parents are worried over the health risk and want hybrid mode to be continued. The Chhattisgarh government has announced the reopening of higher secondary, high schools, colleges and universities from February 15th. The cabinet has also decided to resume all the skill development training programs in the state. All the guidelines issued by the central and the state government from time to time will be followed to prevent the spread of COVID-19 infection in the classrooms. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.